Let's look at what probabilities are and how do we solve problems involving probabilities. So probabilities are usually denoted by the letter P. Let's say the probability of something happening, some event happening, which we will call A, it is equal to a ratio. And the ratio is the number of events in which A happens divided by the total number of events. Okay, the word events may seem a little confusing here, but it will get clear very soon. The idea of probabilities is very easily explained using dice. So imagine that there is a dice, a fair dice with 6 sides, and we are asking what is the probability of the number 1 appearing when we throw a dice. Okay, so what is the probability of 1? Now we say this is a fair dice, so it has 6 sides and they are all equally possible, and only one of them will satisfy our condition, satisfy our requirement, which is that 1 should appear. So on the top, there's only one case in which we will be satisfied, and the total possibilities are 6. So the probability of 1 happening is 1/6. This is the probability. Okay. Then we can look at another case. Let's say we want the probability of 1 or 5 appearing. 1 or 5. Okay. In this case, there are 2 possibilities which will be satisfactory to us. So we'll put a 2 here. Again, the total number of cases possible is 6. Okay. So here the probability is 1/3. So in this way, we can find the probabilities. Now, many times the questions that are based on probability are designed using combinations and permutations. Let me explain what combinations and permutations are. So suppose there are 3 balls, red, green, and blue. Okay. And we ask the question, and these are in a black box. We cannot see inside that black box, but we know there's a red, blue, and green possible. Someone picks the balls one by one, and the question is that what is the possibility that we will get the red, blue, and green in that order? Okay, what is the probability of that? So let's calculate the number of cases in which we will satisfy this requirement and then the total number of possibilities. Well, the number of ways in which we can satisfy this requirement is there's only one possibility. First we have to pick red, then the blue, then green. So on top we'll have 1. But at the bottom, what are the total variations that can be possible. Okay, this one we'll calculate in this way. At the beginning, we have three possibilities. Okay, red, blue, or green. So the total number of cases are calculated in this way. We have three possibilities. And then with those three possibilities, after we have picked one of those, let's say blue, then we have two possibilities, red or green. Okay, so two variations there. And then after we have picked one more, there isn't much chance there. So the last one is fixed. So 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6. So we'll put a 6 here. And so the probability of picking red, blue, and green in that order is 1/6.